Good morning, teacher. I know you don't remember the face. I'm me a Pelico mother. You can call me good girl Grace. Me read everything on the report where say must learn to exercise a greater effort. Me read everything that you say Pelico must do. But it's not him alone contribute to this low grade. So teacher, what about you? Pelico love sing, dance and act, computer and DJ. So if you're not doing things that in the classroom, Pelico not look your way. Last term when he hit straight A's, it was like he was your own. You walked and bragged and boasted about him, the excellent work he's shown. But now that the struggle get real, sorry, Pelico become my burden alone for carry. You don't know what to do? No, you equip the classroom building strategy and the teaching skill. Me is a bartender and a party goer, a vibes alone me know for bail. I can't facilitate him and I miss. See me all try use up big word and my tongue all get twist. But you know though teacher, the system is corrupt. For if Pelico could have write him English in a patois, the thing would have up. If me not play my part, it's like you must forgotten. Then I just saw me take up bar work and pay you for extra lesson. You a Pelico teacher. You and Pelico work together. If Pelico fail, you fail. If Pelico pass, you pass. Me say bar and party, you and Pelico say class.
Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Comment, like and share at Zandramah.